is okay. So we didn't done class on 2nd. So today we'll start freshly here. 3rd Jan. So what we'll start, guys, service desk. The first thing is in the service desk. Guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll give simple questions. What is service desk? Most common question. What is the service desk? Role is there, no? The role. The person who is working in a service desk, the role is okay. Service desk analyst. Some spelling. Analyst. I is not there. Okay. Next one is type of service desk is there, but it is important is level. Service desk levels are there. Service desk levels are there. Roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities. Yeah, that is also good sentence. To provide a required solution and resolve issues arise from customer and client side. Customer or a client side. Good. Okay. Roles and responsibilities. Priorities. Impact. Service desk and help desk. Difference. Okay. Priorities, impacts, service desk, help desk differences. There is a few things are there like definitions. What is event? What is alert? Incident, problem, change, and change management. Service request. These are things you must know. Your Rohit is already present. Okay, these are first important. The priorities P1, P2, P3 priorities are there. What is P1? What is P2? What is P3? What is P4? Okay, impact, urgency. Okay, so these are the important things in the service desk, and of course we forget a very one important, that is ticket. What is ticket? Nothing. What is ticket? Okay, so all these things. So customers, who is customer? Customer and customer handling, a type of customers. A lot of people ignore this one. type of customers. Okay, handling customer. And customer issues. Okay, these are the different questions from on a service desk, most common questions. Okay, and last one is tools service desk or a help desk tool. Tools are softwares, guys. Some people fix to one word only, so don't fix to one word always. So try to understand in a different way. So tools are softwares of service desk, help desk. Okay, monitoring and monitoring tools. Okay, these are the compulsory you must know. If you want to add possible, then ITIL and ITIL life cycles. If you that is the optional adding, so that is the part. So earlier yesterday I given small overview, guys, but today first of all I want to start IT. What is an IT? Information technology. Okay, so IT business is there. IT business. So normally we call IT business, IT service, right? What IT business will do? What is the IT business or organization? IT business or an organization, what they will do? Provide a IT services. They provide IT services. Okay. What are the different IT services? For example, software development and deployment. Deployment means installation or giving. Okay. So you construct a building. That is construction, building. And you are hand over to customer. That is deployment. Okay. So installations, giving, like that. Okay. So it comes under software development, okay, deployment, infrastructure. Infrastructure services, managing, management, infrastructure services and management. Again, ITL comes here, infrastructure management also. Okay, this is a main another part importance of service desk is infrastructure services management. Okay, customer support. In all the things we need to provide a customer support. Just I given customer support separately, it does not mean it's always a separate, guys. You are doing infrastructure service means you are giving a service to someone is your customer, you have to support to the customer. Okay, so that is also one that is the main point I am trying to say. Okay, so right?
So,
The cloud
in this
service.
profile,
Yeah, tell me.
so in this profile, can we have a project related to data analyst in this profile particular?
Data analyst,
Like,
mostly no, as I know.
so,
Okay, so yeah, you have it doubt, guys. A lot of people having doubt. I think we discussed,
Like
and
what kind of a project we should have to face in this profile?
that is guaranteely I don't know. Okay,
Okay, okay.
point is, guys, if you are entering into the IT, you learn some technologies. In future, you want to jump to other company with their relevant profile. Means like in future you want to go for tester or maybe a full stack developer, a DevOps engineer, or cloud engineer. Okay, cloud is easy. So from service desk profile or a trainee analyst, whatever the name it is, okay, easy to jump is network admin. Okay, networking side, server side means Windows server, Linux server. It is quite easy. Okay. The second one is cloud side is also easy. Nowadays it is cloud is also very easy to jump. Okay, from here to dedicated cloud supporting side, it is very easy. Okay, while your experience going on, you have to learn cloud architecture, experts kind of stuff, administration, DevOps in the cloud. Okay, that is also easy. Next one is DevOps is also you can go because already I told DevOps is not a purely software development. Of course, DevOps used in the software development, but DevOps is mainly administration. So DevOps contains multiple tools. DevOps is not software. It is a development and operation. Tools are there. The tools we have to manage, how to integrate those things, tools into one system, how to administrate. Okay. And process management. And DevOps is also will make you to project management. DevOps is okay. So in future you want to become a project manager, then you can do. Okay, now what are your future goals? I want to become a project manager. So how to become? This is also one good path. Okay, this is possibility, direct possibilities. What is not direct possibilities? Like you want to become a full stack developer or developer, software developer. That is no, I don't give any guarantee. Like you want to only become a developer, okay, or a tester, or directly HR kind of stuff. Means management side. It will take time, guys. For any person in the IT want to go to the management side, it will take time. So because you have to your experience, your degree experience, tools, kind of stuff. Yeah, data analyst. Okay, I mean data science guys may have a little chance. Data science guys having little chance, but data analyst difficult chance. Of course, we will get it out, sir. Guy, data analyst. So you become data analyst if you are having a knowledge on data science, right? But why I divided two things because of data science having lot of tools, including Python and Linux systems, right? So background administration side is also there. Lot of tools you will learn. Certain tools like if you are Oracle database, Oracle database systems, or Tableau servers are there, MariaDB is there, MySQL is there. So database systems, cloud systems, cloud is important, database is important. So these are all is another main background part of data science. Analysis tools management. So these are all comes under again this part. So there is a chance of data science, but you want to become direct analyst. It is not that much very easy. Okay, not much easy. So it will take time again. First of all, you have to involve in this DevOps or this database management, database administrator, DBA, database administrators, database management. database you should learn. Okay, so you then it will give good chance here. Okay. Nikhil Pandey present. Why people are getting a doubt in middle? Rohit also present. So this is a good chance to go from this to this. Okay. This is very easy because it's a direct path. It's the next levels. This is depends upon your learning, your skill set. Direct developer or a tester kind of stuff, full stack developers. Full stack developer is okay, but directly only development or a tester, it is little difficult. But data science, because of data science, the background is database systems, okay, and the tools management, installation management, their support, that is also good, okay. Because while your IT experience increases, then also you will easily go to these points. That's what I'm trying to say. While experience is going on, that is your IT experience is going on. But your domain experience is fresher to new domains always. Okay. So this is not direct path, guys. It is you have to divide your career depends upon your while you are going with the experience. Data analyst is also possible, but not that much easy as the administrator to data analyst. Again, depends upon a company, depends upon your project, depends upon chance, lot of things. Some are not having
So
any.
from this profile, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
So from this profile, we also go in the field of data analyst or like development side. Not from this
Again,
profile by taking experience and applying luck in other side from that point of view.
so you are worked as a service desk. So you learn about a service desk related tools and the backend technology and backend technology. What technology you are working that is there. But ultimately, your profile, it is shows service desk analyst only. Okay. Whatever the backend technology, that is you have to learn very thoroughly if you are changing the technology. Tools are tools no problem. Okay. For example, you whenever you started your career, so that is a networking side or server side, your technology, backend technology, you're supporting to servers, you're supporting to networking devices, networking infrastructure. Okay. Now you want to suddenly move to another organization with service desk analyst, with the data science or data analyst or software developer. No, no chance. Directly it is not there. Okay. But backend technology is relevant or irrelevant also. Like for example, you want to go with SAP. SAP basics you learn, for example. Okay. You want to become a SAP supporter. So your friend refer SAP basis support, but you are already worked in a networking support. So you learn SAP basis, you learn very depth, okay, and you search lot of issues and all. You apply for an organization. They said I have a experience SAP basis for 1 year. I have a 3 years experience in this field. 1 year experience in SAP basis. So I want to apply for SAP basis. Is good. So your IT experience increases, guys, not the domain experience. Domain experience, different. IT experience is different. Like IT experience, 10 years. Maybe 1 year cloud experience candidate is also there. Okay. So before 9 years, so that can be different fields. Okay. IT experience different, Domain experience is different. You want to change one domain to another domain, so you have to check that flexibilities and your role. Your relieving role is very important. Relieving role is very important. When you are coming out of organization, what role you are giving is that. Okay. So my point is, guys, don't worry about the career. Of course, if you got a good chance, I'm not saying don't go to that one. Okay. What I'm trying to say is, you got a chance, take it. Start utilizing chance. Start working. 1 year or 2 years. Nothing is for nothing, no problem. Okay. While you are working, keep learning whatever you wanted. Do all the kind of stuff. Knowledge is always helpful. Knowledge is always give you a proper post. But only one thing, I will stop there. What it is, your desire. What is your original internal? Like a burning desire. I'm not saying just a desire. It is a burning desire. Like some people want to go for a government job only, or IAS. I want to do IAS only. I want to get a seat in IIT only. That is a burning desire in that one. Don't stop them. I want to become an actor. I want to become a piano uh, player, or maybe like that. I want to become a musician, or I want to become a magician. Okay, if they are having but burning desire, let them do. Okay, if you cannot able to support, then no problem. Let them do. So that is I'm saying. Same thing, guys. You have a burning desire, like I want to develop something, I want to do some coding development, and I want to do. Lot of chances are there, lot of coding things are there. We can. There is a lot of competitions are going on, online competition, offline competitions are there. Participate. Okay, I have a knowledge. You believe in your knowledge. There is a lot of competitions, a lot of coding challenges are there. Do it, do it, do it, do it. So then definitely you will become good in that one. Okay, that is the point I'm trying to do. That is a burning desire, not just a desire. I want to become a software developer by chance. So those people also same rule. Whatever the chance you got it, take it, keep doing it, keep learning. So it depends upon your chance, your experience, you are willing. So you can change your fields, your domains. So finally you will get what are you desired. Burning desire is different, just desire is different, just by chance is different. Okay. So burning desire is there. I'm not stopping. If you want to quit from here also, I don't mind about it. But only thing is, guys, if you want to succeed in that field, definitely you have to do hard work. Not like software coding is different from networking or server or a cloud is different part. Why? Because of I want to become network engineer. So then what I have to do? So in my home, by learning myself, by challenging something, I don't do anything. I need an organization for that. But developers did not require an organization. Simply you can learn Linux, download Linux kernel, develop the Linux, you're become a software developer. Start doing mobile, you know, mobile applications. That is also development. Different apps, games designing. Okay, different web projects, web pages, web projects. Okay, those are all not required higher resources, costly resources, and you can do work alone or with a team. That is depends upon you. Already I told no. So you want to go to the change and domain. The domain changing. Again, you are new to the domain. Your IT experience is a one-side calculation. Domain experience, different calculations. We can change the domain possibilities there, but there is a direct domain changing. Some are difficult to change, different domains. Okay. Yeah, I spent a lot of time on this one only. So guys, please, we should complete the topic, not that, okay? No problem. That is also good one. I think I didn't waste your time, and but this is good, okay? So guys, remember one important things. IT service provider provide service to clients or customers, right? IT service provider, what they will do? It provide a service, provide a service to the customers or clients are there. Okay, customer can be an organization, customer means it can be an organization or a individual user or a individual user. I said customer, right? So not customers, so no problem, right? So here it is. I have designed one thing. So actually, I've taken a picture, then I'll directly put a picture. What is the customer? So I will start from the customer kind of stuff, guys. Okay, different type of customers it is. Carefully. Okay. So who is the customer? A person who buys a goods or a service from a shop or a business, right? And these are the different type of customers: internal customers, external customers, and external public customers. External public customers. Yeah, it is. Good. Okay. So yesterday I given small introduction to who is this kind of customer people. So I'll give small explanation. So first of all, I'm going with internal customers. Okay, this is a organization, guys. Savantis. Savantis is an organization, and we have our own service desk. Okay, we have our own service desk analyst. Service desk is there. Now, I came to our office. Okay, usually I worked earlier in Pune office, so we don't have any separate service desk person there. Okay, but when I came to office, I need to connect internet, right? I need internet access to take the classes. So I need an internet connection. So what I have to do it? I have to contact this service desk by sending through mail or by directly or by telephone. So whatever it means, I have to reach the service desk. Okay, either self-help portals, reach the service desk. I ask, I want a internet connectivity. I request internet connectivity. So that is called SR, means service request. What am I saying? What happened? Service request. I sending service request, I want a internet connectivity. The service desk guy check my authenticity. So who am I and where am I located? Okay. Then he will create a ticket. He will create a ticket. In the ticket, he will mention, so what is the this particular user's requirement is a requirement. Who is that person? Is this particular user Latif, and he is located in this particular place. Okay, and what is his request? He need a internet connectivity, and whether we should provide or not. Then we will verify it. Yes, okay, we can provide. Is it urgent or it is okay? It will take time like that. You can, yeah. The ticket contains information about user location, user requirement, whether it is a request or it can be a issue. If it is an issue related like an incident or a problem or a change related, okay. So that information, user requirement and their priorities. Is it required to do immediately or you have to take it later? What is the impact of that one issues? Okay. SLA related violations also there. Okay. Next, final note by the service desk and technical person will note after ticket is completed. So they will add this information like a yes, we can able to give this particular access permissions like that. They will do it. Okay. So what he will do, either the service desk guy give information directly or he will forward this ticket to a particular team in separate a physical person will come and will come to your desk. He will do all the settings for internet access. So that is the issue, right? Internet access requirement. He will provide that internet access, all settings, connectivity, all that done. Her service desk guy will give you direct access how to get internet password or like that. Okay, so that the requirement is fulfilled. Once it is completed, guys, now you got a what is your required that you got it. Like you need internet connectivity. Now you got a internet connectivity. What is this service desk guy will do? He will close the ticket. He will close the ticket. Ticket per life cycle is completed, and the ticket information is there as a closed one. As a closed one. Okay, so this is a small action. And where is this service desk? Service desk person is working in 70s. The user is also working in a 70s. So I will give you one more example. There is a user. So his Outlook is not working. Outlook is a small application to send and receive emails. The Outlook is not working. Our desktop is not working. Our internet is not working. What you will do? Contact service desk. Service desk person will ask questions like you will enter the ticket, you will create a ticket. In the ticket, who is that user? What is his location? What is his requirement? Is it not working, right? My ticket is not working. Sorry, my Outlook is not working. My laptop is not working. My internet, I am unable to access internet. Okay, unable to send and receive mails. Okay, some one side I am telling. Okay. So this is called a incident. So issue is there, not it is requirement. It is a incident. Now it is a incident ticket will be created. Then they will say it is an incident, not a service ticket. It is an incident ticket. Of course, is a medium priority, and this is the impact, low impact because of one customer, right? Low impact. This is a customer telling these kind of issues. Then they will either then the ticket is created. The ticket either handled by that person or maybe he will send to the team. Okay, they will add the notes like what are the requirement, necessary things to do it, and necessary things we have done. So all these notes will be added to this ticket. Finally, user resolved with issues. One issue is resolved, they close the ticket. Again, this user and this user and the service desk and the technical team, everything is belongs to same organization. This is called a internal customer. These people are internal customers. This is a service desk, ticket, and ticket life cycle is important, guys. So each explanation, it is three things I are covering. Customer, who is the customer? Internal customer or external customer, a public customer, right? The customer, service desk, ticket. IT employees are IT technicians, IT supporting team. That depends upon the domain. Okay, some are related to networking, some are related to server, like that. Some are related to cloud, the teams. Sometimes direct service desk involved in it. Depends upon a service desk person. Some are neutral service desk people are there, like a level 0 service desk people are there. They are neutral people. So in very big organizations, what they will do earlier days, so they put a one neutral service desk person. He knows the technology, basic technology, terminologies, he knows. So usually he handle the all the customer related queries, both internal, external, and all. Okay. Nowadays, self-help portals are there. So through portal, it will we are getting mail communication wise also it is there. Okay. Sometimes only mail based communications directly we cannot send to the particular team. So we have to send to a common service desk. Service desk at service desk, it will be separated. What kind of requirement it will be separated. So think like this. This is a service desk. Different type of things will come now. Like some people need a service request. Some people reporting in issues, monitoring system, sending alerts. Okay. Some are reporting some service requests or a change management. Okay. This is a service desk will receive all kind of informations, all kind of things. They'll create a ticket for each and every customer, their requirements, their issues. They'll create a ticket. They'll escalate or forward these tickets to different teams or groups. Teams or groups. For example, I got a network related issues. It will be forward to the network engineers, okay, related group. Okay, I forget my email password. Okay, login password I forget. It may go to the servers related or a mail server related person, server administrators or server engineers. I got a desktop related problem. Desktop supporting people are there. Okay, so this is generally SPOC, single point of contact between users or a customers or a clients to IT employees. They said IT employees, not a specific person here. Okay. Next one is, you know, not all this is generally I'm telling guys. So depends upon organization, project, service desk. So different type of teams are there. So I told about a internal customers because in internal customer, the service desk, okay, this is a service desk and is an organization, for example, Savantis. There is some other organization, okay, some tech solutions, some other organization. They need some requirement. Maybe they need a software requirement. We are building software for them. They may need some ERP tools. We are managing. If they need some CRM tools. We are managing CRM for them. Like that. Customer relationship management, like a dynamic CRM, Salesforce. These are a sugar CRM. Okay. Like these CRM softwares are there. So they need a support for a particular solution. We are providing services. So this we are coming from here now, guys. This is the service provider. We are providing a service based on what we can able to provide, what client is required. For example, they need a SAP related services, ERP tools, ERP related services they required, or finance related services they required. Okay, so we provided that kind of services. They required something like virtualization kind of services, maybe very big data center cloud services. They need a private cloud kind of service they required. We are not providing now. Like that example I'm giving. Example, we are not providing that kind of services. We don't provide. Service provider provide a service based on their service catalog. They'll provide services. So what customer requirement, they will take that kind of services. For example, we are managing their, I have a, I'm managing their servers, for example. Okay. So we deployed web services, web servers are running in our infrastructure. We are providing this infrastructure service to this organization. Now, here is an employee is working in this organization. Okay, in this organization, an employee is working, is getting some issue to access this server. Okay, or maybe is unable to upload his new development or new picture, something he cannot able to do it. So he got an issue. What he will do? He will send a request. He ask for a support from our service desk. So he will call to us. Our service desk will ask questions. So what is the requirement? What is the issue? When we are getting that issue, what is kind of error it is? Like that, we'll ask, we'll gather the information from the user when the client is raise an issue, so or asking a request. So what we will do, we'll create a ticket by gathering all the information from user. Okay, so that person information who is requesting, where he is located, which organization it is, what is his issue or a requirement, what kind of it is it a service request or it is a incident related or it can be alert related. So we have to put it and what is their priorities. So we'll create a ticket. And also it said, guys, there is a common service desk people are there, like a level 0 service desk, level 1, level 2 are there. Okay. If that information directly go to the service desk, means that particular person, then he will handle the service. This person directly handling issues. Direct contact. If in case it is not like that, it is, they will send this ticket. So they segregate what kind of issue it is and they'll send to a particular team who is working on this kind of issues, this kind of project, this kind of client. Okay. So either they will do it from their end or maybe they will approach the service client side or maybe whatever it is. So they will check out about issues. They'll add an information about the necessary steps. Okay, once issue is resolved, so service this ticket will be closed. Okay, guys. This thing is same. Contact service desk, create a ticket and manage this ticket like what is the information the service desk will create a ticket and note about a person who is requesting like a user or a client information and their notes and technician notes, whereabouts the issues, okay, priorities, impacts, what kind of issue it is a service request or incident, okay, or it is related to change, okay, is it resolved or what are the steps we have taken to resolving. So everything is linked tickets, any ticket is linked to that one, okay, entire thing will be added to the ticket. That is step 2. What is step 1? So service desk person received information, received a call or a message from user or a client or a customer. The second step is ticket. Third step is proceeding. Either service desk person will try to resolve the issues or maybe he will escalate the ticket to the a particular team. The team will resolve the issues. Once issue is resolved, the fourth one is closer the ticket. Closer the ticket. Okay. So that is what service desk will do. Whether a customer is internal customer or a external customer. So this is external customer. Okay. Guys, understand internal and external customer and what service desk will do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The most of the things, if you are a service desk analyst, most of the time you are handling external customers, means to another organization person. Okay, you are a service provider, you provide a service to some organization, so there are become a clients, right? So you are supporting to the client. What are the project it is, what kind of support we don't see. Okay, so that's it is good. Okay, so you don't have to worry, guys. I'm not saying good or bad kind of stuff, so don't worry. I'm telling you. This is, for example, I have taken a internet connectivity from Airtel or Jio or ACT something, right? Or maybe I have taken a credit card, or maybe I have taken a what we can say a laptop I purchase, or maybe I purchase a software from organization. A software I purchase from an organization. You know, Tally software is there. If you go to shopping, right? You generally we are going to a lot of shopping to nowadays. They have a computers, so they will having a billing software. Okay, billing softwares are there. Okay, like that's the technical related things, right? POS like swiping cards, Paytm QR codes. The different way of connectivities are there. No, people you use it, right? So you are providing a service, for example, internet related service. I am accessing internet service as an individual user. I have connection to my home only, not organization wise, right? Not as a organization wise, as individual user. But I am not inside of the organization, I'm outside of organization. So I'm external customer. But individual user means it's a common public user it is. So I have taken a service from this service provider. Now I got a issue. What to do? Contact service desk. Okay. What service desk person will do? Will verify your information. You know, nowadays you need to tell your phone number also. Whenever they received a call from registered mobile phone number, okay, your mobile is already registered with that services. If you call immediately, they will get a information. That kind of softwares are there. Okay, they'll get entire information about you, your bill payment, everything. Now I told I am not getting internet. It is a incident. I am not getting internet. It is an incident. So they will ask, so some basic questions. Have you seen any LED blinking, backside light connection, power connectivity, LED blinking connectivity? So like that, they'll ask some questions. They will understand what kind of issue it is and provide some initial support. Or to turn off router, turn on router, restart router kind of stuff. Okay. Once issue is solved, sorry, either they will support from their end while creating tickets. They will create a ticket, okay, because ticket is a record, guys. Ticket is not just a ticket, it is a kind of record. Okay. It is a kind of record which contains information about user issues, and what are the steps taken for solving an issues. Also, it's a record. It will store in the database. Okay, it will store in the database. So after closure, okay. Now ticket is created. Either they will resolve from their end or they will forward the ticket to a team which depends upon the issue can be resolved from their end or issue can be resolved by going to customer side. Once issue is solved, once issue is resolved, what happened? Again, service ticket will close the ticket. Service ticket will be closed by service desk. Okay, so then issue is resolved. Okay, so this is a external customer, outside customer. It is. So these are the mainly three type of customer, guys. Why I'm telling about customer first instead of telling what is service desk. Actually, I didn't told exactly customer. Actually, I told three times about a service desk only and the ticket only and the process. I told three times. When I'm telling about the internal customers, I told about service desk, ticket, and how they will work. When I'm telling about the external customers, that time also I told service desk, ticket, and how it is works. And again, external customer, public, individual customer handling, that time also I told service desk, ticket, how it is handled. See guys, I think so you got little idea about a service desk now. I have this picture, so first of all I will give this picture to you. So this is same diagram, service provider and a customer. So this time you can think customer does not mean a individual person, some random person it is. Okay. Customer means is a can be a part of our organization or it can be a okay. So service provider provide a service. The customer, either internal customer or external customer, individual customer it is, will get the service. Okay, if customer require a information, so for example, I want to upgrade my internet connectivity. So I need to get information, right? Or I want to report an issue, my internet is not working properly, or maybe internet is not working at all. I want to change off my service. I want to upgrade my service, or I want to disconnect my service. So change of services. They reach the service desk. What they will do? The customers reach the service desk. So service desk take that information, support as per the customer requirement, try to resolve the customer issues, escalate the issues if it is should be handled by a different person or a different team. So escalate the issues. Customer will resolve the issues, get information and changes. Okay, what are the customer is now getting? Will get a resolve the issues and get information. If customer required a information, he will get information now. He got a changes like that. Okay. The process in between, that is, we don't mind, right? What is the process by service desk? We don't mind as a customer. What is the customer requirement? He got some issues, or he wants some information, he wants some change of services, or maybe he wants some access. So what he will do? He'll request to the service desk, and customer should get that information. So in this process, we need a ticket. What is the ticket? The service desk. The service desk. Whenever it is received information from customer, they will create a ticket. The ticket is a historical document that details service event. Okay. The event can be an incident, problem, or a service request. Tickets govern and control how service event is processed. So what it contains is they record all events including user note, technical notes, workflow information, okay, ticket resolutions, critical processing information also. Ticket can be documented a single incident or a service request, or it can be grouped together and become a single column. Every single service item hits the service desk. Okay, what is this line? Ticket is a backbone of your service desk. Okay, every single service item that hits the service desk, it will creates one ticket. Guys, this link is telling about ticket, incident, column, and service request given by BMC. BMC is a very big organization, you already know about it. The second link is how to create a ticket in BMC Helix ITSM. So that demo I have created. So you can watch after a small skipping like this part you can skip. This entirely I have created a ticket and also told how to log in to this demo session and how to create a ticket. Okay, how to see the existing tickets also I explained here. Okay, so this is also I'm sharing. The link is in the here only, so link is here, and also now I shared, so you can try to go through that one. That is a demo session of a BMC Helix. So last but one I'm telling now, right, is actually what is a service desk. Completely reverse order. And there is a few more these things are there. I will tell today only. So, okay. So here it is. What is a service desk? Is always a question, right? What is a service desk? What is a service desk? Is a single point of contact. Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Okay, so I told three examples. In all three examples, all three type of customers, So every time customer is contacting service desk and service desk creating a ticket, and either service desk person is handling the issue or he will give information to the related team, they will handle it, right? The users not directly contact that technicians, that error or IT employees, they are going through this service desk only. That's what it is called a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both users and IT employees. Single point of contact. What service desk will do? Understand customer issues and customer requirement. What is the customer getting issues? What is his requirement? He will understand. It provide information to the customers and provide a initial support to the customer. What is the customer requirement? Don't say I don't know. We will give some solution, some information related to the customer issue or customer requirement. Escalate the issues. So you cannot handle that issue, so, or you cannot handle that particular query. So what you will do? You escalate the issues to other team members or maybe a particular team or maybe higher level of service desk. You will escalate it. Managing the ticket, like create a ticket, raise the ticket, monitor the ticket. So what is going on with ticket? Ticket is closed. Ticket is the issue is resolved, not resolved. Ticket is open, not open, like that. So the main service desk motto is satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objectives. IT service provider objectives. What is IT's service provider objectives, guys? Provide a service to the customers 24 by 7 kind of stuff, right? Also, we'll handle about a event alerts, incidents, problem changes, change of services, request, and monitoring and managing SLA, OLA, UC. That part I will explain. Okay. This is, guys, how to reach the service desk. So how customer will reach the service desk? Okay, that is important, right? How issue is reaching to the service desk. Like that also you can tell how issue is or a requirement information reach it to service desk. Either customer go to directly to the service desk, earlier days. So we have in our office, same 70s office only. So if I need any network connectivity, internet that time, because only occasionally I will come and get a internet is like week, not a weekly. That time I have to, whenever I need, I have to come to Pune to Hyderabad and I have to work for 1 week. Then I don't get internet, so I have to go to direct service desk, ask for a help, right? So direct contact, telephone contact, mobile phone, email communication. There is a mobile application, Amazon directly in mobile app only. There is a customer support app is in between app only there. Okay, so like a service desk related applications, websites, websites, okay, through certain softwares, so they can follow these things like a self-help portals, creating self-help portals, okay, monitoring related, okay. So first six from customer to service desk related, guys, either directly, mobile, email, websites, self-help portals, softwares, these are all comes under service desk related. What is this monitoring tools? We use different monitoring tools to monitor our infrastructure and our service, what is getting of service, right? Infrastructure and service availabilities, everything will monitor. Any issues occur, any warning or any incident is happen, any issues occur, any warning is generated. So through event and alerting systems, Okay, we service desk notify there is an issue. Once they notify an issue, immediately they will create a ticket and forward to the ticket to the particular department, or maybe they will take care from their end. Okay, so just try to understand, guys, what is what. That's it. Okay. Yeah, if any chance, we'll arrange some demo session on service desk. Okay. Again, so what is the service desk? Single point of contact. What is this? Service provider provide a service to the customers. If customer need any information or report a issue or change, he needed some change of services, they will contact service desk. Service desk will create a service desk, gather the information from the customers, create a ticket, and resolve the ticket issue from their end, and or escalate the ticket to the concerning team. So the customers are internal customers, external customers, and public customers. So what is this ticket? The ticket contains information about user and user related issue or things like it is a incident request kind of stuff. Okay, something is missing here. And this is unnecessary. I've written a lot of things are necessary. I've written a lot of things. And this is a big unnecessary part. Means no. What happened? First. Why these two lines are having this? Very good. This is also same thing. Spacing point. This much space, you got it now. I need this space, guys. I'm typing tickets. So I'm writing three type of tickets. So most of the tickets are incident tickets. What is incident? Sorry, incident. Service request. What is service request? I want a access permission. Like I want a printer access. I want internet access. I want a VPN access. I forgot my password. Okay. These are all service requests. Okay. Incident issues. Actually issues or incidents only. Okay. My laptop is not working. Server is not working. Service is not working. Okay, service down, server down, or maybe internet is not working. These are all incidents. This is alert. So in generally, you will receive warnings or errors through monitoring system. Incidents and service requests are reported by customer, but alerts by monitoring system. So monitoring system will send an alert. Yeah, I am getting this kind of issue now. Okay, so there is a server or maybe a router or something is happened. It is down, so you have to look after it. So that kind of stuff comes under this. This part, okay, different type of tickets. And this is about a service desk, guys, compulsory. And what is service desk? It will provide it is SPOC, supporting to the customer, initial support to customer, understand customer issues, provide information to the customer, escalating issues, ticket management. Okay, it satisfy both customer needs and IT service projector monitoring. Okay, managing SLA, OLA, UC. That is, I will tell what it is and how to reach the customer. How service desk received a incident or alert or a service request from customers, either directly or through mobile phone or telephone calls, or maybe messaging systems, apps, emails, self-help portals, and monitoring systems. Okay. Now, what you do, guys? Take a small break. Take a 10 minutes of break. Okay. Then we'll continue.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Sir, in alert, can you tell me again what is alert? ALT?
Alert. Um, you will receive a notification. For example, server is not working, server is down. So you have a monitoring system. Monitoring will send a alarm or a alert to the service desk. So service desk person will notify us to somewhere this particular server is not working. Immediately notify and take an action. Like you will create a ticket. Either they will solve, if in case there are a person, he is the person who is taking care, then he will solve it, or maybe he will forward the information to the concerning team or a group or a person.
Thank you,
So
sir.
from monitoring tools. Okay. Okay, Pazal, I will explain what is monitoring also. Okay, next one I will explain these incident alert kind of stuff. So even event monitoring also I will try to tell you. Okay, what is event kind of stuff. So if possible, tomorrow once more I will tell about other part because I will tell. Okay, take a break, guys. So I told 10 minutes, but it is 10 minutes is going on up. Okay. So no problem. Just relax. We'll be back. Just for relaxation purpose.